What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Rather than being car related, we are going to be doing a unboxing of a subscription box. Now, the subscription box I will be talking about will be called BeSpoke Post. I think this is going to be pretty cool. I'm excited for this. I just got off of work and I saw this on my bed. I was like, dude, yes, video time. I've seen quite a few videos on YouTube about their stuff and I was curious, so I went ahead and tried it out. For this box in particular, it is mainly for like facial care, like skin care, stuff like that. But this website, this brand, I guess you could say, BeSpoke Post, it's pretty cool because they have a little something for every guy. You know, they have something for people that love to go camping, people that like to be outdoors, people that like technology. They have a whole bunch of subscription boxes that are different every month. And it's pretty cool because for $45 a month, they send you about $75 worth of stuff. And you're able to opt out every month that you don't want to get a box without having any penalty fees, which I think is pretty rad. I think that's pretty awesome. So let's say you're looking at the September box and send you an email telling you exactly what you're going to get, exactly like what is in everything in detail, just so you're not left with, oh man, I didn't want this, or oh, I didn't like this and I paid for it, you know? So you have the option to opt out any time that you want. And there's no cancellation fee, there's no hard hassle. If you don't like that month's box, you can simply remove it from your cart, and it allows you to browse through other boxes to see which one you might be interested in. So enough of that, let's get into it. And if you guys are curious, I did get this beautiful red dotted tie from Sprezza Box, which is another monthly subscription box. For only $30 a month, they send you 5 to 6 items worth of men's fashion accessories, and the stuff that they send you is pretty awesome. I absolutely love it. I know I'm doing a BeSpoke Post video right now, but I do want to give Sprezza Box a shout out because I love all the content that they have given me so far. Like I said, I have this beautiful red tie I'm able to wear to work. I have this awesome tie clip. I actually got this Elevon watch, which I think is a beautiful watch. My hands down favorite timepiece at the moment. This watch itself has a retail value of $180, and I got it with a box of 6 other items, which means that I got this for about $6, you know? So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out Sprezza Box. And now we're gonna get into this BeSpoke Post unboxing. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Now I am going to be using my cool little multi-tool kit that I got from Sprezza Box, which includes a knife. Go ahead and open this up. Alright, so this box is called Refresh. Looking good starts with your morning routine, and yours is about to get even better. Look, it has a little section right here to show you everything it has in the box. But so the thing I was most excited about is this toiletry bag. I love how it feels. I love the texture to it. The inside blue is really cool. The zipper is nice and sturdy. It's not one of those like cheap zippers, you know? But this is really cool. So convenient, because lately what I've been doing is I just have all of my like face stuff, all my bathroom stuff just laying out, you know, because I didn't have a specific place to put them. And now I do. This is really, really cool. This bag itself I've seen it from multiple websites, multiple accounts like eBay, Amazon. For a good quality bag like this, a toiletry bag, can run between 30 to 50 bucks. Like a cheap one, you know, a good quality cheap one. Or like a so-so quality, you know, but this one itself from BeSpoke Post came with a whole bunch of stuff for only $45. So I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna try some of this stuff out. I'm gonna let you guys know how I like it. And yeah, so we'll get into that. So if you guys liked this video, go ahead and drop a like down below. Alright you guys, so as you saw, I just finished using those products. The shampoo and conditioner was absolutely amazing. It left my hair so soft. I don't really know much about shampoo and conditioner. I just use whatever is in my bathroom, which is usually my sister's stuff. So it feels really cool to have a shampoo and conditioner of my own that is meant for men. Secondly, that face wash was absolutely amazing. It did not leave my face dry. I feel my face hydrated, and it just felt so smooth going on, you know, like it just, usually face products kind of burn my face or they irritate a little bit, and then they just end up leaving my face feeling dry the rest of the day. But I do feel it a bit more moisturized than any other face product I have tried. And the bar soap, wow, did that smell amazing. I am a huge fan of bar soap. I don't really like the liquid body soap. I've done it for years. There's just something about it I didn't like. But this bar soap, I actually have a bar soap from Sprezza Box that I use specifically for my feet. But this bar soap, not only did it feel so nice on my skin, I feel so smooth, and I did not even put any lotion on. You know, I did not moisturize or anything. I just showered and came out, you know. But it smelled so good, guys. I cannot stress this enough. Like, by the time I finished showering, my whole shower smelled like that bar soap, and it smelled amazing. I was just sitting there, like, just enjoying the smell for like 5 minutes, you know. But the hair gel is really cool. At first I didn't like it. It was a bit too sticky on my hands, and I'm more of a paste kind of guy when it comes to hair gel. So this liquid gel was definitely different for me. It was extremely sticky on my hands, which I didn't like, but it was so simple to style my hair. It just went so well with my hair, and I was able to style it. I didn't need to blow dry it or anything. I just put it on, styled it, and I was good. Plus, I like that it has more, like, it's a bit of a stronger hold. I don't know if you could see it from that far of a distance, but it gives me more of like a slick back look instead of a comb over, which is what I've been trying to do lately. I've been trying to have that slick back look, but the pastes, they're just not strong enough to do that. It'll just, like, I could slick it back, but I'll have all these little baby hairs just sticking out, and it just looks weird, so I just go with the comb over. But with this gel, I'm actually able to slightly do a slick back look just because my hair's not long enough yet, but that was definitely a plus. That was cool. The toothpaste, I'm sorry, I have not used. I will use it later on tonight just to see how I like it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. So for my BeSpoke Post, my very first BeSpoke Post box, I give it a 5 out of 5. It was absolutely amazing. Customer service was great. They were emailing me, we were talking back and forth. Arrival time was amazing. I wasn't supposed to get this until like 2 weeks from now, and I got it 2 weeks earlier, which is great, you know. So that's definitely an A+ right there. Their products, they send you a variety of products that are in a higher price range than what you would actually be paying if you get a box. So if you get a box, it's a set $45. If you buy everything individually, it can add up and be a bit pricey. I don't want to spend all that money on like one thing, you know, because most space products are like 20-30 bucks, when I could just get like a whole variety of things for like 45 bucks, you know. So I'm definitely looking forward to my next BeSpoke post, and I'm super excited for that. If you think it's helpful, if you think someone that you know might enjoy it, whether it's your brother, your boyfriend, your cousin, your father, the BeSpoke post would make an amazing gift for any guy that you can think of. It could be even for yourself. Do something for yourself, guys. Put you first. Take care of yourself, you know. Trust me, you will love yourself. I work hard. I deserve getting like a little box here and there for myself every now and then. Like I said, if you guys like this video, go ahead and drop a like down below. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and let me know, just so I can start creating more segments like this. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you haven't followed me yet. It's at smtb222. The Instagram link will be down in the bio below. And also, if you have not checked out my SoundCloud yet, go ahead and check that out. I hope you guys take care, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Section 4, who's been right there